Fluffy, back with another video. For today's video, I'll be making fried dumpling. Guys. If y'all don't know what fried dumpling is, it's just fried dough, basically. You just mix some flour and water together and a little bit of extra, and there you go. Put in the fryer, fried dumpling. If y'all want to see how I make it, stay tuned. Also, if you guys are new to my channel and haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Please do so as now so y'all can get all of this fluffiness. Don't forget to turn on your post notification so you can know every time I upload a new video. If you're old, you're returning back to my channel, welcome back. Welcome back to all this fluffiness. Okay, enough of me rambling on and on. Without further ado, ooh, I'm sweating. Let's get into this video. Alright guys, so what you're gonna need to make this fried dumpling, you're gonna need some all-purpose flour. You can use self-rising flour if that's what you got, but all-purpose flour. You're gonna need some cornmeal. That's definitely optional. You're gonna need some milk. I'm using almond milk. You can use regular milk, or you can use water if you want to. I got some baking powder over there, salt, and a little bit of brown sugar. You can use white sugar or whatever sugar you got. It does not matter. So I'm gonna go with 2 cups of flour. I'm gonna sift the flour, just 2 cups. I'm not making a lot. A little bit will do the trick. Okay. Whoop, whoop. Nice. When you sieve, it's gonna make it come out nice and fluffy. Just like your girl, you already know. Just like your girl. Put that in a sink. I'm gonna add in about 3/4 of cornmeal. I'm just gonna eyeball it, but yeah. Not too much. That will do. Then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of salt. Just a little bit to bring out the flavor. And baking powder. Remember, baking powder, less is better, okay? You don't want to add too much. All right, let me show y'all. Hopefully y'all can see this. Not too much. All right, that will do. I'm gonna add in about 2 teaspoons or tablespoons, whatever it is, of sugar. I swear I gotta get my measurements on point, okay? One day. So I'm gonna just mix these up. Just incorporate everything. Ooh, this is gonna taste so nice. Obviously, guys, you're gonna need oil, of course, to fry it up. And if you don't want it to taste too sweet, you can definitely leave out the sugar, and you could add butter in it if you want to for a more flaky dumpling. But I don't want no butter. That's just too much. You're gonna put butter and then you're gonna fry it. No sir. I don't want that. So I'm gonna start off with a little bit of milk. Remember, add a little bit and then mix it in, and then you can add more liquid. Don't add too much liquid, and then you gotta go in with more flour. Just add some more. Just mix this bad boy around. Ooh. Hey, y'all stay tuned for the next video. I'm gonna be making cornmeal porridge Yes. Jamaican cornmeal porridge. Stay tuned for that. Let me zoom up on this so y'all can see up in here. So y'all can see up in here. So I'm gonna just go with my hands, just mix this around. Oop. Nothing always. Yes. I haven't had any fried dumpling in so long. Fried up, fried up. See, people be thinking there's a lot that goes into fried dumpling. Nope. Simple, easy, and of course, delicious. What you could pair this fried dumpling up with, you could make ackee and saltfish. If y'all don't know what that is, I'm just gonna add a little more flour. That's just Jamaican national dish. I got a video out on that. I'm gonna leave it in the description if y'all want to check that out. You could definitely pair this up with corned beef. Just cook down the corned beef with some onion and tomato and put some black pepper in there. What else you could pair this up? You could pair this up with anything. You can make brown stew chicken and use this as a starch. You can pair this up with callaloo. Callaloo is like what do you call it, American stuff? Collard greens, something like that. That's what callaloo is, something. Correct me if I'm wrong. So I'm gonna just cover this up and put this aside for a little bit. I'm gonna get my oil hot. So this is what you want. It's still supposed to be soft, okay, guys? You don't want no tough flour. The dough's supposed to be nice and spongy. You see that? Yes. So if you're making a lot, definitely go in with more flour, okay? More flour if you want to make more. Less flour if you want to make less, okay? So come back. All right, guys, so right here I have a pot with some oil in here, and I got a piece of the dough cooking up so I can flavor up my oil just a little bit for about 10 minutes on medium low. So I'm gonna just take this out. And we're gonna get into the flour so we can make the dough. I'm gonna cut the temperature on a little less. So I'm about, put it on 5. A little lower than medium. So it's medium. So I'm gonna get a little bit of flour on my hand. Let me come back over here. Just a little bit. Just a little bit on my hand. Mix this dough around. Make sure y'all can see. So I don't want my dough, my dumpling to be too big. So this is, this looks big, but this is a good size. So just roll it around, guys. Roll it around in the palm of your hand. Let me get some more flour. Drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. Flour all over that. Just roll it around and you're just gonna press just a little bit. There you go. That's it. It doesn't have to be difficult. I know some people out here making making it seem like it's all that to it. It's really not. Just roll it around, see? You just press it just a little bit. And you just put a little indentation in there. If you want to make yours smaller, you definitely can, because who am I to say anything? It's your recipe. You do whatever you want to. Whatever you want to do with it. And for the milk, I use 1 cup. Just about 1 cup of milk. So 2 cups of flour. and 1 cup of milk. You see how this looks brown? That's because of the sugar. If you don't want that many, if you don't want it to look this brown, just cut back on the sugar, because really brown sugar, okay? Or you can use white sugar, whatever you want. All right. Yes, guys, it's gonna make a mess. It's gonna be messy. Flour is always messy. So just be mindful. And you can also, you can make spinners. If y'all see my previous videos, this way you just roll it like this. And in Jamaica, we also call these festival. Maybe I should do a video on how to make festival. You can roll it like that, but I'm gonna just keep it the original way. Just make round balls. Yes, 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 yes. Ooh, hotter than hot. All right. Just press that out. Just do the last one right here. Don't take long at all. Does not take long. So I'm gonna just drop this in my oil. Woo, yes. They're gonna swell up a little bit, but that's fine. I'm gonna cover it up. Remember, it's on medium. It's about 5. I don't have a number system on mine. I have a low, medium, and high. So it's between low and medium. Okay, so come back. All right, guys, so let's take a look inside. You see how they swell up? Yes. Just flip these bad boys over. Smells so good up in here. Ooh, feels so soft. And it's okay to stuff it. You want them close. You want them close. Flip this around. Yo, I can't wait to dive into this. So they've been cooking about 3 minutes. Brown them until, what am I saying? I have no idea. Cook them until golden. Okay, so your stove might be a little different than mine. So be mindful, keep an eye on it. So come back. Alright guys, so these bad boys been cooking for about 6 minutes. 6 minutes. Cause you want the rawness of the flour to cook through. You want your dough to be raw. Okay, so this is it. So you don't even need a lot of oil to make this. Some people put a whole thing of oil. You don't even need to. I'm gonna take these out. Y'all, these are so soft. So soft and fluffy. I'm gonna just put it on a lined napkin. Whoa, yes. Yo, they may look good. They look so good. Oh my God. Mother Road, Mother Road. Okay, I got one left, so I'm gonna just cook this last one. Nothing always. Alright guys, so this is it. This is how you make fried dumpling, Jamaican fried dumpling. It's so good. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more awesomeness. If you guys are still here, watch until the end. Put me one of those little pink roses in the comments, okay? Okay. Yes, this looks so good. Delicioso. Catch y'all on the next one.